This video is for you. If you are building your online business, you have been in this journey, you have been grinding, but somehow you seem to be stuck. You seem to not having results, and you have tried to watch all the multiple information online, but you keep being stuck. You're trying to search the solution that will somehow unstuck you and make you progress again. This video is for you that are searching for the solution that will have progress in the business that you are doing. It can be anything that you are doing, maybe drop shipping and maybe social media marketing, any business that you are doing, and you are searching for a solution for it to unstuck yourself. And first of all, I'm gonna start with my story so you can understand it better. I have tried multiple online business. I have tried drop shipping, I have tried social media marketing, I have tried PLR, I have tried a lot of stuff, and I have made money and I had results with a lot of stuff, even with ghostwriting and X Twitter, something that I never thought I would make money. But therefore somehow it seems to exist something that was keeping me stuck, because no matter how effort I did getting rich and improving myself and achieving that financial freedom that I saw in the internet seems to be far away, seems to be so long. And I used to go into the internet and constantly search for that solution, because I need to constantly be learning, so I will constantly search for that solution because maybe I will find it. And that was the worst mistake I ever did, and that is the worst mistake that you are probably doing, that is listening to everyone business advice. So I keep digging, I keep changing from perspective to perspective. One guy say that, another guy say that, and my mind ended up mixing up everything, because I don't think Iman Gaji, Hamza, or someone that I watch it is the one to blame. I think I was the one to blame, because I was searching solution in multiple sources. And this video is simply about the one source rule. And what is the one source rule? One source rule is something that I have been applying a lot recently in my life, and it's doing wonders. I wanted to start the channel a long ago, but because of listening to multiple sources, I would be like, maybe the best time is not now, because the other guy would say like the best time to start is now, so I would start. The other guy would say like, wait, you need to start from Twitter and then move your audience and then blah 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 blah. Like multiple sources were getting into my direction, and I learned something very important in this journey from changing from business to business and building my brand to 800 followers, that the worst mistake you can do in building your online business, in building your online journey, is like listening to multiple sources. So to fix this, what I did was simply started to listen to one source of information and massively apply for 30 and 60 days. And the difference that this does is something incredible, because in the beginning it feels boring. It feels like, what is happening? Why is my journey so slow? But if you follow all of their advice from this one source, if you're doing drop shipping, for example, if you listen to all of advice about this person about drop shipping and not change, and like you don't go to another person and go and try these solutions about drop shipping, you just focus on this one guy and massively apply for 30, 60 or 90 days, I doubt you won't see results. Either results that you can change your mentor or change your source of information to another one, or results that you will have the results that you want. You will have the money, you will have the income that you desire, and you will be closer to the 10k or 20k a month that people say is the standard of freedom. That is what is going to truly change your life. That is the mistake that you are probably doing, that is making you stuck. There isn't a golden advice, there isn't a golden tip that will make you rich overnight, but there is repetition of one source of information that is called focus. There is the right amount of focus, the right amount of application, the right amount of repetition into something that will give you results. I started doing this on my channel, and my channel is already having consistency results, consistency growth. I'm not blowing up overnight, I'm not searching that. I'm getting the views and I'm getting the feedback I need slowly, and it means that, wow, I'm on the right direction. Because if this can compound, then in our time, in just 6 to 9 months from now, I will be in a much better place. I don't need to blow up overnight. I need to make consistent growth, because this game is an infinite game. It's a game that I plan to play longer, so it doesn't matter if I win today or I win tomorrow, as long as I keep winning, as long as I keep making progress. So stop listening to everyone business advice. Start applying one source of information, massively apply, and you will see the transformation that will happen in the next 30, 60 and 90 days.